Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making the most pumpkin chocolate chip bread. So this has a whole can of pumpkin in it, but also loads of chocolate chips, and we're gonna sort of caramelize that pumpkin so it thickens up, gets deeper in flavor and color, and it's just gonna be so much better. So even if you don't like pumpkin, I think you're gonna like this recipe. Of course, I was inspired by this song. It is fall, pumpkins out, that's the case, all over the place, in your face. Oh yeah, it's in your face with pumpkin this, pumpkin that, but we're gonna make a great pumpkin bread. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The second thing you wanna do is get your loaf pan ready to go. I have a full parchment sling in here, and let me know if you want me to show you how I do this. Medium-high heat, pumpkin, sugar, cinnamon, ginger, turmeric for color. Stir until it all melts together, and we're gonna want this to become a thick mixture, which is gonna take anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. Again, it's sort of caramelizing it. We're looking for it to start sticking to the sides of the pan and for it to fully dry out and to be kind of thick mixture. So this is ready and done. Transfer it to a container so that it can cool down slightly. You should have about 1.25 cups. Flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, whisk together, eggs, sugar. Vigorously whisk together for about 1 to 2 minutes. Should be light and pale and voluminous and thick, all the good things. Gradually whisk in the oil until it is shiny and emulsified. Add in the pumpkin mixture a little bit at a time and whisk. Add in your flour mixture. Stir to combine. Add in your chocolate chips. Stir to combine. Transfer your batter to your pan. Spread it out in your pan, it doesn't have to be perfect. Sprinkle your sparkling sugar on top. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes until the internal temperature is about 200 degrees. Time's up, let's check it out. We are looking for 200 degrees. It is gonna get there. Let's take it out. Let it cool for a moment, about probably 5 to 10 minutes in the pan, then take it out to cool completely. Look at this great pumpkin chocolate chip bread. It looks great, right? It's sparkling sugar on top. It smells great. My kitchen smells like a fall festival in all the right ways. So it's all in the taste, so let's give it a bite. I think even for the non-pumpkin lovers, you're gonna love this because the pumpkin flavor is more subtle or more caramel tasting. It is richer in flavor, but in a good way, not like in a pumpkin way, if that makes any sense. So this is great, and of course, there was a lot of chocolate chips in there, so it tasted a lot of chocolate, and well, you can't go wrong there. So this is great. If I can make the most pumpkin chocolate chip bread for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've liked any of the tools I've used in any of my videos, I've got an Amazon link in the description. And don't forget to check me out on TikTok and Instagram for so very much more.